What's up guys, I'm randomfrankp. Today we're going to be doing a nice old-fashioned unboxing of the brand new Razer Huntsman Elite gaming keyboard. This just came out yesterday, and I also released my full in-depth review on this yesterday on the channel as well, going over all the pros and cons, some of the brand new features, as well as the new opto-mechanical switches. And we have a giveaway going on, so check out that video if you're interested in that review. But just now, for this video, checking out the unboxing and stuff like that, so you can see, what you get inside the new Huntsman Elite gaming keyboard. Alright, so as you can see, it is their standard Razer packaging with the product on the front and some nice bright and vibrant colors. Another thing I always like is they have these switches exposed here, so you can test it out before you buy it. If you're in a store like Best Buy or something and it's on the shelves, you can test out those switches. And these are the new opto-mechanical, but don't worry, we'll go over that in more depth in the actual review, so don't miss out on that. And on the back, it's just some more information about the keyboard and those new switches. Pretty standard stuff, but let's check out what is actually inside the box. All right. So, as we usually come to expect, no BS. You open it, it's right there for you. Got the welcome to the cult of Razer, which is just going to be a little tab hiding the actual cables and stuff, but we'll pull it out for a second. And that is literally it for inside this box. Up top we do have some product information, but we're not going to need any of that. Alright, so here is the keyboard. It doesn't really look like what we're used to with a Razer keyboard. It looks just very minimal and simple, which I'm a big fan of. And right underneath packaged, ready, I'm gonna take it off, is that included wrist rest for you guys. Very, very soft. Really big fan of this. It is kind of like the one that we've seen on their previous lineup, like the Synosa and stuff. Definitely cushiony, and you can see the pin right here. That's how it's going to connect to your keyboard and sync all the lighting effects and stuff like that. And you can see we have a nice little kind of hidden Razer logo here embossed into the actual leather. So just quickly showing you, we'll just attach it just like so, and it just snaps right into place. You see how easy that is. So that's good. And if you pick it up, it's obviously going to start to tilt a little bit because it is a bit heavier. But I mean, if you just snap it into place, you should be fine. Then real quick before you plug it in, as for the cables, you do have two. One is for the keyboard itself, and the second port USB is for the actual transmission of those RGB lights throughout the wrist rest. So if you want that all to work, you have to plug in both. And it is a thicker, longer USB cable. As you can see, you have this kind of rectangle like power box here, just so everything works efficiently and stuff. Since this is a pretty hefty keyboard, it's gonna need a lot of power. Alright, so I had to stop recording for a minute because when I plugged this into my laptop to get it all booted up, there was a brand new version of Synapse to download for this, and there were a ton of new lighting zones and features which I saw, which is really cool. We go over all of that in the review, as well as a bunch of new stuff for the multifunctional, like multimedia dial, which is like this really cool multimedia knob. You can have different like toggles and functions to it. So really great stuff here that I didn't even mention in the beginning. But let's get back into it now because it is glowing. Alright, so there you go, got it all powered up now, the lights are going, and everything is at 100%. And then like I said before, with the actual wrist rest, once you connect those magnetic pins, I believe it's in now, you can see on the bottom of the wrist rest and all around it, it all glows to this really cohesive unit, which is pretty cool. Not too often you have a RGB wrist rest, so this is a little unboxing again for the Huntsman Elite. Nothing crazy, nothing fancy inside the box for this, traditional unboxing. Alright, so as you saw inside the box, just no BS. You have the keyboard plus the wrist rest, and that's pretty much it. No extra bells and whistles. But like I said, do not miss out on that dedicated review I dropped yesterday. If you're interested in this keyboard, you're thinking about picking it up, we go over all the pros and cons, the features, as well as taking a pretty in-depth look at the brand new opto-mechanical switches. Yes, this is a giant blown up version because these are brand new, unlike anything Razer has ever released before. So if you want to find out more about these as well as the keyboard, check out that review. And like I said, we're giving away two of these new keyboards. We have the Huntsman Elite as well as the regular Huntsman version. So I'll put the links down below for that if you want to check it out. So hope you guys liked my unboxing. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.